What if I told you that you could get up to $175 worth of AI tokens for free? That includes access to powerful frontier AI models like Claude Opus 5, GPT 5.6 Sol, and other advanced models, without necessarily paying for an expensive AI subscription. If you have a GitHub account, you may already qualify for these benefits. The process is surprisingly simple, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find them. First, sign in to your GitHub account and go to the page where these developer benefits are available. Look for the AI or developer benefits included with your account, check your eligibility, and activate the available benefits. Once you're eligible, you can start using the included AI models or tokens. So before you spend money on expensive AI subscriptions, check what your GitHub account already gives you access to, because you could be getting a serious amount of AI usage at no additional cost. And if you want the complete step-by-step process, I've created a full guide showing you exactly how to check your eligibility and set everything up. You can download the PDF completely free on Gumroad. The link is in the comments.